Hello and welcome to Elma's Kitchen. In today's video, we are making one of Sri Lanka's famous desserts, Vatlappam. This rich, creamy dessert is traditionally made with eggs, coconut milk, and kittul treacle, a type of palm tree syrup. But we found an alternate way to make it with brown sugar syrup, condensed milk, and Milo. This was an absolute flavor bomb.
Oh my god. This is so good.
It's melting in your mouth.
So if you want to make this exact recipe, I left all the links and a step-by-step guidance in the description below. Alright, enough talking. Let's go make some vatlappam now. First, grab a few cardamom pods and cloves and roast them for 10 minutes on medium heat. While it's still hot, transfer them into a grinder and powder them. Next, grab 150 grams brown sugar, add to the same pot, and keep mixing it on medium heat till you caramelize it. Once it's fully caramelized, carefully add some water and mix it for a couple of more minutes to make the syrup. Next, get 5 whole eggs, beat them well, and strain it into a mixing bowl. Add 300 milliliter condensed milk, add 300 milliliter water, pinch of salt, 1 cup of Milo, add the sugar syrup, 100 grams shredded coconut, handful of roasted cashews, add the ground spices, and mix it well with a whisk for 5 minutes. You could bake it or steam it. We did both to see which one gives us the best results. Prepare your bowl or pan by buttering the sides. Add the mixture. If you're baking, bake it for 45 minutes on 300 degrees or steam it for 45 minutes on high heat. Check it with a toothpick to make sure the middle of the vatlappam is cooked well, decorated, and your vatlappam is ready to serve. Honestly, I couldn't tell any difference between baking it from steaming it, so go with whichever the way is more accessible to you. And that's all from us today. Hopefully you and your family enjoy some vatlappam at home this week, and I'll see you next week with a new recipe. Take care.